Now you can see the next question is question number F. Okay, we are doing question number F at first. Let's construct a square DR in which DE equals to 5.2 centimeter. DE equals to 5.2 given and it is named as square. That means we know that in square all the sides are equal and always there is 90-degree angle in a square. So we have to take this type of diagram DEAR and we have to take 5.2 on all the sides and you will take 90-degree here. So it is simple, just you have to draw the 90-degree and we have to take the same length. Okay. So at first on the initial line you have to draw 90-degree. You know how to draw it. Just take an arc which is greater than 120 and now you have to cut this same arc and you will join this and this so that you can get a 90-degree. Always try to draw a bigger line. Okay. Now you can see I have drawn a bigger line. Now take the length 5.2. After taking the length 5.2, we have to put the needle here and we have to cut this here. Okay. Similarly, we have to cut it here also. Now you can see we have cut it at this point, not at this point. Okay. This is at this point. So we have to name this R here. And this was D and this was E. Just see the diagram here and name it. We have not get the point A. As we know, this length is 5.2 as well as this length is 5.2. So just putting the needle here, you can draw 5.2 here and similarly putting the needle here, you can draw this 5.2 here. So we will take this point as the intersection point. Okay, and you will name this as point A. Okay, my arcs are very thinner. Now we have to join this two and this two so that we can get a square. And after drawing this, you have to write the numbers 5.2 centimeter at every place. Okay. After joining, you will write it, and here you have to take one box shape and write 90-degree. Okay. Now join this. Now see, after completing this figure, don't need to draw any diagonal because no diagonal was given in the question. After that, you have to write this treatment. Okay. The four sides you have to name all of them and write 5.2 centimeter was the side of each. This was the square in which these sides are this much. Okay. You have to write this up to this and don't miss to write this 5.2 and don't miss to write the names of the vertex. Okay. In this way you have to draw a square.